So welcome to this new tutorial of the channel Tech Guide VB. I am your host and you are watching arrays tutorial today. So array is very important concept in PHP because there is huge difference in array in other languages like C, Java, etc. and array in PHP. So you will understand what is the difference and how beneficial the array in PHP is. So there are basically three types of arrays in PHP: index arrays, associative arrays, multidimensional arrays. So what is basically arrays? So in other languages, the definition of array is the collection of similar elements, but in PHP we can collect the different types of data types of elements in one array. So this is the beauty of array concept in PHP. So we will see each type one by one. So index arrays. So what is index arrays? Arrays with a numeric index is called index arrays. We will see this example in our today's program and you will understand this concept very well. The only thing here to remember is there is index associated with each element. So if you want any element to be searched, you can directly search the element by its index. So it is the simple type of array. Then very important and distinguished type in array in PHP is associative arrays, where arrays with name keys will be there. So key and value, these two things are combined together in these arrays, and each element represents by its key and value. So if you want to search according to key, you can search according to key. If you want to search according to value, then you can do that also. The very popular example for associative array is the dictionary, phone numbers dictionary, where there is a name of each customer and the mobile number or phone number is associated with that name, or the mobile number is associated with name or name is associated with mobile number. Here mobile number is the key and here name is the key and mobile number is the value. So this is the very beautiful example of associative arrays. Then third type is multidimensional arrays. So if you want to have multiple dimension in one array, you can have with the help of multidimensional arrays. So what is multidimensional array basically? So arrays containing one or more arrays is called multidimensional arrays. The very well-known example for multidimensional array is matrix, where there are two dimensions, row and column. Here each element in the matrix represented by its row and column values. So this is the example of multidimensional array. Similarly, we can have many examples or applications of these multidimensional arrays. So we will see these three types of arrays in one program only, so that you will understand the difference and you will understand the beauty of concept array in PHP. So let's see the example. So this is the example of array in PHP, where we have started the PHP tag and we are echoing the our heading today, that is index arrays. We will see the first type of array first, that is index arrays, where each element is represented by its index. So we have taken the cars variable here and we have used this array keyword to involve the array elements. So the first element is Volvo, second is BMW, third is Toyota. Then we are echoing just these array elements by its index. So how the index are starting from 0. There are index starts in the array, that is index arrays. So Volvo is at 0th index, then BMW as at first index, then Toyota at second index. So this is the representation of this index arrays. So if you are echoing I like cars of 0, cars of 1 and cars of 2, then it will print as a I like Volvo, BMW and Toyota. This is the output if you are echoing this. Then the next type of array is associative array, where I have told you that there are key and value pair present in each element of this associative array. So here the $age, this is the variable taken for storing this associative array, and shub is the key and 22 is its value. So shub is name and 22 is its age. So this is the key and this is the value here, and it is separated by comma, and arrow is used to associate key with the value in each element, like here you have seen. So if we are echoing shub is age shub, age of shub, so age of shub is 22, this is the value. So shub is 22 years old, this will be printed. Similarly, you can print the Komal's age and Rutu's age also. Komal is age of Komal, years old, and Rutu is age of Rutu, years old. So it will respectively print its age accordingly. Then the third type is multidimensional array, where cars variable is taken for storing the multidimensional array. In PHP it is the array of array, so array keyword is used. Inside that there are multiple arrays present. So first array is of Volvo 2218, and second array is of BMW 1513, and third array is of sub 102, and this all represents one array. So in this outer array there are three elements: array 1, array 2 and array 3. And if we print this 0 of 0, then it will print this Volvo. Okay, if we are printing this 0 of 1, then it will print 0th row and first column, that is 22, 0 up to 18. So Volvo in stock 22, sold 18. Then similarly it will print BMW in stock 15, sold 13. Sub in stock 10, sold 2. It will be printed like this. So it has the multidimensional array concept. So in PHP, very important concept is associative array, which is very unique in PHP, and these both two concepts are there in other languages also, so you can easily remember this. So if you like this video, then please do subscribe to the channel and share this video to your friends, family, and keep learning, keep watching. Thank you.